If Photopea cannot open your file, don't worry, this is usually caused by the file location, the way you're opening it, browser issues, or a problem with the file itself. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your project open again without guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. First, move the file out of any restricted or synced folder. If your image or project is sitting inside a system folder, a protected location, or a cloud-synced folder like Google Drive, OneDrive, or similar services, Photopea may have trouble accessing it. The easiest fix is to move that file into a simple local folder like your desktop or downloads folder. Once it's there, try opening it again. Next, change the way you open the file. Instead of double-clicking the file or using a shortcut, open Photopea in your browser and go to File, then Open. From there, browse to the file manually and select it. You can also try dragging and dropping the file directly from your computer into the Photopea browser window. This often works when other opening methods fail. If that still doesn't work, try using Incognito or private mode in your browser. Sometimes extensions, cache data, or privacy settings interfere with how Photopea loads files. Opening a private window gives you a clean session with fewer conflicts, so it's a quick way to test whether the browser is the problem. If the file still won't open, switch browsers. Try Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or another browser instead of Chrome. Some files fail to open because of browser-specific security restrictions or extension conflicts, and testing a different browser can immediately tell you whether that is the issue. Finally, check the file itself. Make sure the file is not 0 bytes, because that usually means the save was interrupted and the file is empty or damaged. Also check whether the file is locked behind private Google Drive permissions if you're trying to open it from cloud storage. If you don't have full access to the file, Photopea may not be able to load it properly. Once you move the file, use the file menu, test drag and drop, try a private window, switch browsers, and verify the file integrity, you should be able to solve most Photopea opening issues quickly. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.